This is actually a very special place for me. Ladies and gentlemen of my age, or thereabouts, pretty much all of us learned how to swim in the pool up here. And I used to, this is a historic place. We used to walk across from Grasser Avenue into the cane fields, and the teachers taught us to learn how to swim here. So we all of us learned how to swim here. So it's so wonderful to be back here doing this today. I want to begin by just thanking everybody here for inviting me to. It's a great honor for me to open the Great White Sharks Swimming Club Fashion Show in my hometown, where I actually, as I said, learned how to swim. It's a delight to see the aquatic 50 Shades of Blue, richly celebrating all things aquatic, recognizing tonight's theme. And I'm actually just coming from another aquatic place where we just opened the World Windsurfing Tournament that's going to be taking place in Nomotu shortly. I must say also that you all look wonderful, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, fashion has always been a form of universal language, which has allowed constructing our identities for all of us, and at the same time, it actually changes how you feel, it changes how you carry yourself, and it changes how you act. You know, how amazing it is to note that the exuberance a piece of clothing actually has, or very little of clothing if you want to do it that way. Fashion, ladies and gentlemen, is actually dynamic, and it's in constant change, and especially in the globalized world we live in. And the Fijian fashion industry has actually enjoyed a lot of success, both nationally and internationally, and successes which many fashion designers present here tonight have actually played a major part in. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian fashion sector actually employs quite a large group of people at all stages, from production to design and marketing, but also those who currently subsist to actually on to write and analyze and shoot and comment and blog about fashion. You are all essential to this very lively industry. Whilst the industry actually braves on to face the many challenges in the post-COVID world, I must commend a few people who have actually put Fiji on the map. The House of Mosio, Tracy Farrington, Hupfield Herder, Laborial Cinnamon, Girls in Tamesia, Samson Lee, Lavalani, Hefrani, Anton, Conway White, and the list goes on, ladies and gentlemen. Your support as an industry to the industry is actually a great Fijian way to get together to raise money for our children to take part in the Pan-Pacific Comps in Hawaii and in the school swimming competition in either Australia or New Zealand next year. I'm told that there will be a great reveal of the Great White Shark swim uniforms for the 22-23 season tonight, alongside awarding 3 recipients with some swimming scholarships. I don't want to take too much of your time. I know you want to get on with the actual fashion show. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for being here. I wish you all a fabulous evening, and actually declare the Great White Shark Swimming Club Fashion Show officially open. Thank you. God bless all of you.